ABCetc, Learning Made Easy. Welcome to Entry Level 1. Module 2. By the end of this session, you will be able to understand that numbers can be represented in Roman numerals. Roman numerals are the symbols used based on the ancient Roman system. Let's see the numbers against the Roman numerals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Time for quiz. The link to download the quiz is in the description box below. End of Module 2. You are now able to write the numbers 1 to 10. Understand that numbers can be represented in Roman numerals. In Module 3, we will learn to order and compare numbers up to 10. ABCetc, Learning Made Easy.